This video quickly walks you through on how to download the file you have on your Dropbox account into your PC. Let's just get right into it. The first step you need to take is to launch your web browser. So here, let's use Chrome. As the browser opens, visit dropbox.com and log in with your credentials. If you did not save your login details on your browser, you can see the link here, dropbox.com. I'll press the enter key of my computer keyboard. Once you log in successfully, you will be on all files. But if you're not there, please click on that particular tab. That will give you access to the files you have on your account. Alright? So, the next step is to get to the file you want to download into your PC. Let's say this is the one here. So, click on the three dots on the file. Once you take your cursor there, you see the three dots. Then select download. Alright? So this file will be downloaded into my PC successfully. Alright, look at it here. It has been downloaded. If you want to download more than one file at once, it's possible. Take your cursor to the first file and click on the checkbox. So when you take your cursor there, you see the checkbox. Let's say I want to download this. Take your cursor to this, you see the checkbox. So on selecting the number of files you want to download, you will see this download button show up here. So just click on it. So the file have been downloaded as zip file, all right, because you selected more than one file. So if you want to unzip that or copy what is contained inside, it's simple. Just click on File Explorer. For Windows users, click on Dropbox, download, so double click on the Dropbox zip file. So you see the two files here. So I will select them and then I'll click on copy. So once they are copied, you can get to maybe any folder of your choice and drop them. So here, let me drop them on this desktop. So I will right click and select paste. So all the two files are now here. So I can use them freely without going into the zipped file. If this helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology. So subscribe to learn more. Hit the like button and leave a comment. See you some other time.